Hi everybody, it's Ha.
I'm HAWA.
We're doing a small project today, just a fun little DIY art project, upcycled. You know you've got an old box spring that somebody wishes you would take to the dump. Don't do it. Don't do it, we say.
Yep.
We say, make
Yep.
it into something beautiful.
And double it up. Put a hinge on here and have growing it on both sides.
That's right, it's great. I said, that's enough. It's time to do something with it. So we've stripped it down. We have done some work. We've painted it with some outdoor paint in a lovely teal.
We just happen to have that color, whatever outdoor paint you have laying around.
Right, and we've
Because
used
the paint on it
everything
makes
that
it
was
last.
just laying around the house, like just stuff we had around. Once planted, you could have anything you want. Sides on your patio.
Lettuce on the bottom, basil and lemon thyme and everything.
You
on the
name it, you
top.
could have it.
On the other side, some peppers and some
Tomatoes even.
Yep.
Do you,
Could be a
boo?
full salad.
We're gonna plant it with what we've got laying around. We'll show you the final result. Just thought we'd share the idea with everyone. We love you. We're so glad you're here. We hope that you enjoy the video and that you end up making something great yourself. Now let's go do it.
Well, recycle, upcycle. What are we going to do? 10 things to do with an old box spring. Are you tired of moving around your garage? I was. Moved around this way, that way. We got new beds. We decided no more box springs. We're going to do platforms, but we still got the box springs. Okay, at some point, you get tired of moving around, so you go, hey, can I do something with this? So, as you can see, what we have here is a old box spring that has been stripped of everything, and I used a pair of bolt cutters to cut the wire. It has a really nice solid wire frame. Really surprised at the durable materials that are inside of this and what the potential that it could have for a lot of different things. And then I just used my saw and cut it in 3 places and trimmed up my spots where it was going to really might be pokey. And this is where we're at. We've got actually about 1/3 of a single mattress, box springs, painted here, so we get a little durability. So we have I had a whole roll of landscape fabric. It's 30 foot by 3 foot. Just happened to have it around. Was going to put it down underneath the pathway and never got around to that. And I just read the pathway. It's easier. We've got some old chicken wire. Gun. We got staples. We got a razor knife. We got a pair of pruners and wire cutters and pliers and all the kind of basic stuff you should probably have around your house anyway if you are a DIY person at all. And if not, then as you can see, some of the stuff that we have, we bought at Goodwill for $1.99. So just good luck getting it for that price nowadays. Anyways, all right. So we're gonna we've already painted it on both sides. I'm gonna flip this over like this, and as you can see, we kind of have like basket areas here that are waiting to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken and cut it appropriately to where we can get it inside of here. And mainly we're worried about getting it in the front section here. So we're going to just go ahead and cut it in half.